Now we want to just look at how to work with images. So if you check in my images folder, you can see I have 3 images posted in the folder right here. I have 3 images posted in the folder right here. Now let me just put a comment to know that this is where I am. Now in working with images, there's something we always have to take note of, which we call file path. Okay. Now file path have to do with where exactly can we locate this file on our computer. Remember, we are putting something on the web and we are asking it to put an image that we have on the computer. Now let's look at how this file path works. To insert an image, we use the img tag. To insert an image, we use the img tag. So we have this img tag here, which comes with an src property. Now this src property simply stands for source. The src property stands for source, and that is where we indicate our file path. Now we are working with, this is actually index.html. So we are in this file, and then we want to locate or insert files from the img folder. Okay. Now, both the HTML folder and the IMG folder are folders inside our professional or our parent folder. So we need to come out of the HTML folder, locate this IMG folder before we get access to the images. So now, to go back one step in a directory, we use double dot and then we bring a forward slash. So the double dot and the forward slash means we have come out of the HTML folder. Okay, we have come out of the HTML folder. Now we are inside the parent folder. We can now have access to any folder that we want here. The next folder we want to access is the IMG. So we're going to go to the IMG folder and then we bring a forward slash as well. What file do we want to? So let's say we want to insert robot.jpg. So we're going to say robot.jpg. Now, the spelling or the spelling of the name of the image must be exact because it is very case sensitive. Then we save this. Now, one property we can also have is the alt property. Now, this is just a description of the image. Let's say, in case my image is not able to load, what text do I want to display to whoever wants to view that image? Or this supposed to be your DP or something. So we're just going to put that there, and I'm going to just say robot because it's a picture of a robot. Now let's save this and view this on our web browser. You can see we scroll down and there we go. I have my robot here very big. So I have it inserted here very, very big. All right, this looks too big. So let's look at one thing we can do. So we can actually control the sizing of it. So we can control the height. Let's set the height to, let's say, 200 pixels. And then we can also control the width. And then let's set it also to 200 pixels as well. And let's go back and refresh our web page. And then we can see it becoming smaller right here. So we can go ahead and insert the other images. So let's say I have the img tag and my source is going to be /img and I want to insert ew.gif. Save this and refresh my web page, and there you go. I have my welcome image inserted. So this is basically how we insert images in the HTML. Now, if you have the image in the same folder as your HTML file, then there's no need to use the dot dot and the img. All you have to do is to call the name of the image in your source, and it's going to work out. So we've actually learned how to insert images and even control their sizes in HTML. And see you in the next video.